So good evening.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
This class we studied about, yesterday we studied about international Indian system of numeration, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Numeration. So today, now I'm going to take international system of numeration. Okay.
Ma'am, you give homework.
Yes, I have given the homework, I remember. Okay, that I will discuss at the last. Okay, children. So we are studying about international system of numeration. See, children, Indian system of numeration is we are using in our country only. So whenever we are using some other something about foreign countries, we use our international system only. So numeration, other than the countries other than India, we all use international system of numeration. That's why it is known as international system of numeration. Okay. So whenever you are reading any newspaper or a news about something, you all might be heard that he is a millionaire or he is a billionaire, like that, isn't it?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
And sometimes YouTube channel, some celebrities followers 17 million, 7 million, like that.
Yes, ma'am.
So
Yes,
YouTube
ma'am.
channel, you can see many of the famous people's followers are 7 million, 17 million, 1 million, like that. So the connection between Indian system and international system. Today we are going to study about the connection between Indian system and international system. How we will read the numbers in international system. Okay. So do you have the notes with you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So now we are studying about international system of numeration. So take your notes and write. International system of numeration. Okay. Okay, children. Can you see the board?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you see the board?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, children. Now our next topic is
I'm in the notes,
international
right?
system of numeration. International. International. As the name indicates, it is used in worldwide. It is used in worldwide.
Ma'am, in the writing notes.
Yes, write the heading International System of Numeration. And listen, after writing the heading, you keep their pen there. Keep the pen aside and listen to me. Okay, children? So this is the heading which I wrote on the board now. And it is International System of Numeration. Now we are going to study about that. Shall I start then? Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let me see all of you are attentive or not. Let me see. Francis Richard is writing. Keep the pen there and listen to me. Okay. Ashishuni also, restless, doing something.
And I kept the pen.
Okay, keep the pen there and listen to me. Okay, children. International system of numeration, it is a different way of writing the numbers. In that, we insert the comma, right? We insert the comma in that Indian system, we inserted the comma in some, we followed some rules, isn't it? So international system also, we are following some rules for inserting the comma. Okay, children? And there is no lakh and crore in international system. First, you have to remember that there is no lakh and there is no crore. Lakhs and crores are not there in international system. Okay. So whenever I ask international system, don't tell about lakhs and crore. It is not there in international system. It is only in India. Lakh and crore. Okay, children? And it is all in thousands. And these thousands we will write in separate way. We'll read it in different way. Okay. So I'll start with the basic things. I'll start with the beginning. Listen to me. Listen, children. Are you listening?
Yes,
Can you
ma'am.
see
Yes,
the
ma'am.
board? Can you see the board?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
I'll write one number. How will you read this?
9.
9.
9.
And how will you read this?
29.
29.
And how will you read this?
329.
329. Okay, 329. After that, we'll put a comma like this. Like Indian system, our first three, one's family is same. One's family is same, okay? Okay. One's family, the same system. After three numbers, you insert the comma. And the same, I ask you are reading, it is 329. Are you listening? Some sound
Yes,
is
ma'am.
coming from, you mute your audio and listen to me. Mute your audios. Okay, Nihal Mustafa, mute your audio. Listen, Francis Richard, don't write anything. Okay, children. So it is 329. 329. As you read in Indian system, the same thing, 329. Got it?
Yes,
Clear?
ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
If
ma'am.
I write one number here,
ma'am.
how will you read this?
4,329.
Okay, okay. We'll write it as 4,329. Okay, if I write one more number here, how will you read?
329.
54,329. Up to this it is correct. Up to this it is correct. 54,329. This is the usual notation. You following Indian system also the same thing, right? 54,329. Okay, children, are you following me?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, if I write one number here, 7 before that 5.
7.
Did I tell you to read?
7,054,000.
I am not telling you to read it.
704.
Mute your audio. I'll give you nicely if somebody is reading. Mute your audio and listen to me. Listen, children. Ask you, how did you read 329? The same way you have to read this. How will you read?
754,329.
Okay, so you have to read like this. This, how, actually, Indian system, what we have to do is, 329 is our number. This was our number. Then this was our number, 54,000. And when you put a 7 here, we will put a comma there. And how will you read this?
54,329.
in Indian system. But we are not putting any comma there. You will read 754 alone. 754,329. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Don't tell
Yes,
that
ma'am.
7 as lakh. It is not lakh according to us. It is 754,329. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
754,329. Will you read it together?
744,329.
754,329. 754,329. Okay, so you will read this number as 754,329. So there is no double numeration. It is all with triplets, means three numbers together. In international system, we are not separating it with the two numbers. After the ones family, we will separate it 3 numbers again. So 3 digits we are separating. 3 digits each. Okay. So once more, will you read this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. 700.
754,329.
Okay. Now I'll give one more number here. This number is million. This number is million.
Million.
Now you will read like this. 6 million
6 million.
754,329. 6
329.
million 754,329. Read it, read it, read it. 6 million. But I want to hear everyone's voice. 6 million.
329.
Yes, yes. 6,754,329.
329.
Okay. Now, if I give one more number here, you have to read this as 96 million. 96 million 754,329. 96 million 754,329. Now I'll tell somebody to read. Okay, Vrissa, will you read it?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, read it.
Ma'am, with okay, ma'am.
You are
96.
doing something else there.
Yes,
Okay, children.
ma'am. 96
Vrissa,
million.
read
Excuse
it.
me, ma'am.
96.
96 million.
Hmm.
754,329.
329. Listen. So you understood this. Again,
Yes, ma'am.
if I write 1 2
Hello, ma'am.
here.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, Ravana Suresh is waiting in the waiting room.
I did not see her. Let her come. I did not see. I admitted just now. Okay. So just listen. 1 2 I have written in front. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now you have to read this number together.
296 million.
296 million. Wait. Will you mute your audio?
Yes, ma'am.
You mute your audio and listen to me. That number, how we will read? I'll read it and you can repeat it. 296 million 754,329. It is very easy to read. 296 million 296. All these 3 numbers together, it is all hundreds. This all you will read as hundreds. 296. How you will read this 3-digit number? It is 296. And you have to read like this: 296 million 754,329. Okay. 296 million 754,329. Okay. I'll write one more number. Okay.
Ma'am, you have tried this?
No. Listen. Will you read this? Namasya, will you read?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
296 million 754,329.
Now, Sri Rudra, will you read this?
296 million 754,329.
Okay. So you have to read it as hundreds. Hundreds. Okay. There is no lakh and no crore, but you have to read it as hundreds. Three numbers together. 3 triplets together. Okay. Triplets. So 3 numbers together. Again, if I write one more number here, you have to read this as billion.
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 8
So,
billion.
8 billion.
8 billion.
296
296 million.
754,029. Francis Richard, read this.
8 billion 296 million 754,329.
Okay, Altina, will you read this? Altina,
Yes, ma'am.
Altina, I am writing one more number here. Will you read this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
80 billion.
18.
18 billion 296 million 754,329.
Very good, very good. If I write one more number here, how will you
Ma'am,
read this?
218 billion 296 million 754,329.
Very good. So that all this number is billions. Next number is trillion. Okay. Up to that we won't study. We'll stop here up to here. Next number is trillions. Trillion, and it is 3,218,296,754,329. So you have to thorough with till billion. Okay, Francis,
Okay, ma'am.
sit straight.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, listen, children. Now, did you understand about it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, there are specialities of international system. That means the comma which we are using, which we used to put the comma, insert the comma between 3 digits. Means after 3 digits, set of 3 digits. Next 3 digits like that. First one. Second one, there is no lakh and crore in the international system. Okay, and we will read it as hundreds. 324,000 like that. 324 million, 554,278 like that. Okay, children. And there is one important thing is that we have to compare both the Indian and international system. And then one more thing. Listen. After studying this, the next question is to insert the comma and write the number name in international system of numeration. Insert the comma and write the number name. You know it, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So, like Indian system, what we did, the same things we are doing in the international system also. Now, I'll show the slides for you. This is Prinova 5C. Prinova. Okay. Okay, children, listen. You just check whether you can see the PPT slides. Okay, children. Can you see?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, this is Indian system of numeration and place value chart. This is also, you know.
Yes, ma'am.
Today I'll send this. Okay, you have to draw this chart.
Ma'am, you have already
sent.
This chart also I sent.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now it is international system of numeration. Did you see this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Can you see something I am drawing in this? Can you see that?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
One red line, can
Red
you see?
color. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Eh?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Can you see some red lines? Now I am drawing some red lines. Can you see?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Lines? Huh?
Ma'am, I can
Draw in doodle.
Ma'am, I can't see.
Let's see. Somebody can see, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, children, listen. 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 Can you see the pink ones? Pink.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Those pink charts, pink shades. It is ones, tens, and hundreds. Pink. That is same for Indian system, isn't it? Isn't it? Now, thousands. Okay, this also same. Thousands also same. Can you see the board?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you see the board now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, okay. Now I'll select some other color so that you can identify. Can you identify this green color?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. This green color is our thousands family. Okay. It is thousands. Next one is 10,000.
10,000.
Next one is
100,000.
And here, will you read this four first table? Can you see one four there only? Very
Yes, ma'am.
one
Yes,
four
ma'am.
only.
Yes, ma'am.
It is ones. It is ones. Now, if 1 7 came in between, how will you read? How will you read that? If 1 7 came, how will you read that? Second table. Second
74.
table.
24.
Second table. How will you read this? Second table. I don't know whether it is visible or not. Second. Will you read this number?
74.
24.
Okay. Will you read the next number? Next number down.
374.
374. Okay, good. 374. Now when 6 added, how will you read this number?
6,374.
6,374. Now 8 added to this. 8 added.
86,374.
6,374. Again, next one 5 is also added.
586.
374.
1,000. 586,000. So that family of thousands begins end there. 586,000. Yellow color finished, and we have to start with the pink color, right? So 586,000. Yellow color ends with thousands. So 586,000. Now pink color begins 374. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, children. Okay. Now again, Angelina, Rose, this come other classes. Let them also come. Okay. Now I don't know whether white will work or not. Okay, children. So you have you read that? Up to this you have read. Now will you read this? Read this.
374.
Yes. Again, now it is million, right? Million. Again, will you read the second line? 174. Now 100 million comes. 4 last line. 174. Okay, children. Now, did you understand about this?
Yes, ma'am.
I'll send the slide to you. You have to draw these slides. No need this slide. No need of coloring and all. Okay.
Okay,
You
ma'am.
have to write this.
Billion.
In the notes. In the notes.
Okay, ma'am.
You have your color pencils with you.
Yes, ma'am.
Then you can color.
Ma'am.
Pink color in one's family, yellow color in thousands family, and blue color in millions family. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
So it will be easy for you to recognize. Okay, children?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, children, did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay? Okay, children? Did you understand about international system now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Is there any crore and lack in international system?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
How will insert the comma? Is there any double digits?
After three
Digits, all
Three
triplets.
digits.
3 digits, after 3 digits.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you study well and come tomorrow. I'll ask everyone about the international system. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Now,
Tomorrow class is there.
Thank you,
see
ma'am.
you. Bye.
Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.